General and students, today I am going to explain you about the diary entry. So, what is diary writing? A diary writing is a very personal kind of writing. It is meant to record certain significant events and feelings of the writer. The writing of the diary is just a informal thing in which you are expressing your own thoughts, own significant events and own feelings. So this is the format of the diary entry. You have to write the date and the day, time, and then you have to leave the line and then salutation like dear diary. Or if you want to give the name of your diary, then dear, whatever the name you want to give, so that dear, that particular name, and then heading whatever what you want to enter in the diary, what the event you want to entry in the diary, that event heading you have to give. Like something is special happened to you, then you have to mention it over here. You are going for a picnic, then a picnic day or something, like whatever the happen, that give a heading of that event, of that situation, and give the heading first of all, and then content of the diary, and then your signature. First of all, I would like to clear one thing, that in the date you have to mention not to date, balki whatever the date is over there, that you have to mention. Suppose today is 24th, so you have to mention 24th July 2020, or the day is Friday, time is 11:45. So this thing you have to mention, not to write time, not to write day, not to write day or time. Instead of that, you have to write the date like 24th July 2020. Day is Friday, so that you have to write day, Friday, not day, and then time, whatever the time is there, not to write time. Then leave the line, and then salutation and the heading, then content of the diary, and then you have to put your signature. If the question gave you that this you are this and that you have to give your signature on that name. If the question said that you are this and that in the board exam also, if you and the exam also, if the question is there you are this and that, you are Sham and Shama, so you have to signature with that. The girl have to write the signature in the Shama, and the boy has to write in the Sham. So here, and the first person you have to always introduce it. So let's continue with the another thing. The points should be remembered in this, that you have to put your creativity, imagination and expression in the diary writing are tested. Yes, this is the most important part, because what you have to write, the contents part is already given in the question, your introduction given in the question. So you, what the things you have to opt from this, and how to put your creativity, your imagination, your expression in the diary writing, that is tested. That will give you the full marks. If your writing section is, your body section is very creative, very imaginative, then this will give you the full marks. And you should write as if you have really been a part of that situation. Yes, this is the most important thing, to always write like that. This is not the other situation. Diary entries means that you are this and that, you are writing the diary, you are writing the situation, you are putting your thoughts, you are putting your expression. So you are not allowed to put like something else situation, something else. Okay, this is not about that. If there is a written that you are Ram and Rama, so you just have to think about that, you are Ram and Rama, not your real name. And it's always written in the first person. This is the main important thing, that the tenses or the mood or the expression has to be in the first person. And whatever the situation, if the situation happen, or the you have to realize the situation, the event that was happened or will be happened, so that you have to realize. And one does not write about their things experience on the daily basis, only matter of some significance are recorded. some of the time it's not about the daily basis. There's a two types of thing. Some of the writing is the daily basis, daily routine, daily things, whatever the happening in their daily routine. And some of the time it's only matter about the significant recorded. Significance means something special event, something special thing which happened or which will be going to happen. So it is a secret record of the one's life. Obviously this is your record, this is your imagination, whatever in your chest that you have to put on it. And you are going to put on it the paper. So you have to be very honest with the others feeling also, and with your feeling also, and the emotion. This is a personal thing. Diary writing is a personal thing. So why do people write diaries? People write diaries just because of the expressing their point of view. If the someone don't have, just sometimes they feel hesitated, or they feel something inferior to express their feelings, express their thoughts, or to convey their messages to others, or their desires to others. So they just feel to write the diary at the particular event or the daily basis, expressing their own self. Like here I'm giving you the format of the real format of the diary, that how to write. I here mention date time, daytime, just because of to no acknowledge for you. Not you are not have you don't have to follow this, okay? Just as you don't write, okay? Direct date, direct day, direct time, and then leave line, and then salutation. I told you that if you are giving your name, diary name, so then you have to mention the diary name, like whatever you want. This is some of the time it's mentioned. Or it's not, if it is not, then you have to just write the dear diary and the comma, then the topic in center, like this. Like this you have to write the topic, and then this is the body. This part is the content of the body, and the here you have to write the name or the writer. But your name means this is your writing, this is your name means writer's name, means who is going to supposed to write the diary, okay? That you have to do. So one of the sample I'm just going to do few samples. There's a two expression I'm going to explain you. One is the happen and one is going to happen, okay? So this situation is going to happen. So you are very excited as you are going for a school picnic with your classmates. Write a diary entry about your plan for the picnic. You are Ashok and Asis. So here your name is Ashok or Asis, okay? So this is going to be happen, okay? You are very excited for the picnic, and next day you are going for the picnic. So this is going to happen. So remember it, which sense is going to be delivered. So here you are have to this is going to happen in the future. So here you have to write according to like that. Like I am very excited for this, I am going to over there, and like this. See here date is like this mentioned. See here the date and the time, yeah, okay. And then diary, and then the topic is my class picnic, and I am feeling very excited. I'm going on a picnic tomorrow with my classmates. So this is all about the future tense, you know, because this is going to happen. So he is planning for the future. So here all the sentence is in the future. But my mother came into my room just now and warned me that if I do not go to sleep now, I might fall asleep at the picnic. Then he just mentioned this also, he or she, whatever the person. So he mentioned it that also, that if he or she will not be not sleep at night. So this is the your imagination. Content was given that you are going to picnic and you have to plan it, or you are very excited, you had to express the feeling. But this is the creativity, that my mother is going come, and this is your creativity, this is your imagination, that you put and give it to the extraordinary, make it in an extraordinary. And this, like you are on a study in the class 9th, and you went on a morning walk and saw a boy drowning in the water. You saved a boy, a crowd appreciate you. So this is the good thing for Hannah. So you have to mention in your the incident in your diary. So as same thing, this is happened already, this happened in the past, so you have to put the past effect over here. Okay, like just what a lucky day, I saved my boy from drowning. So this is the heading. And then tomorrow in morning I went for a walk. See, this is a past tense because this event happened already. And oh thank god, and this was a good morning, this was a good morning. So this is the imagination and the creativity. This is the creativity which she entered in the he entered in the diary. So this you have to put in your diary. Okay, so I hope it's very clear to you all and you get it very carefully, or watch it throughout. And if you are not getting, then you can easily ask.